Hello, my name's Nick. I'm a 64-year-old YouTuber. No, I can't believe it either. This is an introduction to the travel channel. Fair value travel. Getting good flights out from a local airport, not travelling across the country to save 20 quid and get on a plane at 6 a.m. Normally for me that's Leeds Bradford, travelling all the way across Europe on value airlines and then booking value accommodation using booking.com, using hotels.com, using Airbnb, Expedia, all those people. I'm also hot on getting good value in these locations. That value might be using local buses instead of expensive taxis, finding out what are good value free local attractions, all those kinds of things. There's a chance I might mention beer every now and then. We've got 11,000 subscribers, so we're going to split the channel into two. This video that you're looking at now is the introduction to the travel channel. We're going to pivot music channel over to a separate one, so unless you're interested in both, it'd be great if you subscribe to both channels, but there's not many nerds out there that have the Venn diagram that covers guitars and travel. Maybe there are. Anyway, we'll find out. It'd be great to have you along. Please click that subscribe button. I hope it's around there somewhere. It might be there. And we'll see you soon. I'm not going to do it again. Please comment, like and subscribe. It helps us a lot and it's completely free.
Happy, rented days.